request by the Buck Barely fan team using number 30. Buck Barely fan team using number 39. Chick Hicks turns Tim Tredless into Yellowbird tktk faker. Round it. Man, I'm so bored. What should I do after I got grounded by Promenade? I know. I'm going to turn Tim Tredless into Yellowbird tktk faker. Hi. Hello, Tim Tredless. What? Chick Hicks, turn me back to Tim Tredless. No, you're tktk faker. No, I'm not going to accept this terrible form of a Toyota Prius like that jerk. Oh, what's going on here? Chick Hicks turned me into ktk faker. Yellowbird ktk faker. Oh, whoa. Chick Hicks, how dare you turn Tim Tredless into ktk faker? You know that is allowed. Turn him back now. No. Oh, you'll get a punishment day for that. No. Oh, whoa. More punishment days. Fine. Shh. And now say sorry. Nope. Extra 400 punishment days. Sorry. And you're still grounded for 9,875 years. And for that, we are going to make you, go to your room now and never come out. Request me grounded videos.